the question, what is the impetus of power? What is the definition of greatness? I have the answer. That definition of greatness, that embodiment of power is the patriarchy. It is Wesley Michael Peel, the Alpha Beast. It is the king, the powerweight champion, Damien King. It is me. It is the killer Kyle Blizzard. And collectively, we are the force that can only be known as the patriarchy. And the patriarchy, you see, we got some business to take care of tonight. These two gentlemen right here are going to beat the shit out of Project Star Power in just a few moments. That's right. And then, at episode 100, me and Wesley Peel are going to take on every single tag team that Go Wrestle can throw at us when they hang those tag team championships up on that wire. And they legalize the use of brutality, the likes of which Go Wrestle has or perhaps never will see again. Tables, ladders, chairs, and kendo. Episode 100.